My name is Jörg. I was born 1970 in southern Bavaria, Germany, and I decided to leave my old life, sell everything, quit my job, leave my house and see the world from the seat of a motorbike. You were invited to follow me on my global ride.
Good morning and hello from my last few meters in Nicaragua. Still at the border area of Nicaragua to Costa Rica, but this is the Costa Rican side. That means I'm in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is the only country in Central America that I visited before. I know it's much more expensive than the other countries, but also more developed. And I'm very relaxed now that I'm here. I booked a hotel close to the beach, very close from here. It's not even 2 hours to go, 110 kilometers. I will enjoy the beach a little bit, and tomorrow hopefully I will be able to pick up my drone at the Arenal office, and then I'm done doing some sightseeing in Costa Rica to head to Panama at the end of the week. And South America is coming closer. Yeah. A very unusual time that I'm starting my cameras today. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The reason is simple. Yesterday I crossed the border, stayed close to the city of Liberia because my drone's supposed to come here today on Wednesday. Of course it didn't. I got a message that it will arrive here on Friday, so I was rerouting that drone shipment by DHL to the capital city of Costa Rica, San Jose. That gives me the opportunity to watch something in the meantime and not wait for 3 days just for the drone and do nothing. So that means I'm on the way now to El Arenal, one of the largest volcanoes in Costa Rica. The last time I've been there, it was active. I hope it still is. And the road there is, let's say, very tropical. You see in the mirror, there's a light behind me. That's my new friend Blake. Blake is a KTM rider from British Columbia, Canada. We met in Nicaragua and here again today. So I waited for him in the Burger King of Liberia for an hour or two, and that was a good thing because in the meantime it started to rain so bad. I was lucky to be in the Burger King to wait for him. He was not so lucky because he went down from the border of Nicaragua and he got into that rain shower very bad. But he's well equipped like me. Yeah, and we decided to go together for a little bit. We're heading now to the Volcano Arenal and Lake Arenal. We're riding now along this lake for a long time. I think now after this corner is coming what I'm waiting for the whole time. Yeah. So this is Switzerland village. I hope we get a better viewpoint to make some photos.
Swiss village was built by Switzerland immigrants, including everything like Swiss style built houses, a viaduct, a small train that's running over that viaduct. It's beautiful in nice weather and the rain, as you see here. We continue in the rain, and from this road we have our first views to the Volcano Arenal. This is what we came here for. It's the youngest and most active volcano of Costa Rica, and it's 1,670 meters high.
So we stopped again on this amazing road just to see that one. That volcano is 80% of the time not visible, and with these weather conditions to see it openly and clearly like that is amazing. This is another stop very close to the volcano, and it's an official spa with hot springs from that volcanic activities up there. I just let the camera run so you see the activities on the volcano up there. Down here you see a lot of steam that comes from the different pools that they have here. It starts up there with 46 degrees, 43, 41, 39, all this stuff, and we tried to go in the very hot one. Impossible. So you really need to go in one of the middle ones. I'm not tough enough to go to the very hot one. Good morning from Fortuna in Costa Rica, at the foot of the volcano Arenal. You would see it in the back mirror, but like usual when the weather is nice, it's covered in clouds. So in this case we have been lucky yesterday. It's Blake, the guy in the rear mirror, and me. Actually we're riding together. I'm pretty happy to have company. So we shared a beautiful hotel room last night. Had an exceptional sushi dinner. It was really, really good. A long time I didn't eat so good sushi. Planned for today. You know, I still have to pick up my drone. It will be delivered to a DHL agency in San Jose, the capital city of Costa Rica. And Blake needs to do some bike maintenance there.
Actually, we're riding through the jungle here for half an hour now, and this one showed up, so of course we had to stop.
Very impressive, this waterfall, and it's right at the street here in the jungle. So we spent some minutes here to make some photos and videos, obviously. And now going on. Yeah, we're looking down to San Jose from here. Riding direction north. Why? You know the thing about my drone. It's supposed to be delivered to Liberia, which is at the north of Costa Rica, on Wednesday. Today is Friday. Wednesday was promised to me by the guy in the DHL office in Honduras that took my drone and shipped it. And I got a message, it's gonna be there on Friday. So I called him, please do something, and he says, okay, no problem, I redirect that drone, that package to San Jose, which is the capital city, and that is on my way, and Friday is a good day for that. And also in the online service of DHL, I saw that redirection with the announcement, you can pick it up there on Friday. Today is Friday. I went there in the morning. And they said, yeah, it arrived from Honduras, but it is in Liberia. And it's very rare that these redirections work, so yeah, no. We could take it down here to San Jose, but that will probably take until Monday. Monday, I already want to be in Panama and prepare my flight to Colombia. So that's why now I'm heading another 240 kilometers back north to the DHL office in Liberia, which is close to the border to Nicaragua, just to pick it up there, and then going back down south, direction San Jose. It is like it always is. I'm 30 kilometers before my destination. I had already some rain showers, but this black clouds over there promise nothing good. So what I'm going to do is to put my rain suit on now.
There was a thunderstorm waiting for me. There was even on the news and national TV here in Costa Rica. I was passing puddles of 20, 30 centimeters, some even higher in the area. So I got there, the last 80 kilometers in the rain, and wow. I think that was the heaviest rain I ever experienced so far. I just got in there, totally wet, picked up my drone, turned around and drove back, and I thought, okay, this rain's gonna end again. And no, it didn't. So all the way back I was in the rain, and the problem was Blake, my friend from Canada, he already moved on to the coast, and we wanted to meet in the evening, but there was no way with that weather that I made it there. So I slept somewhere 200 kilometers away from where he went to, and now I'm on the way to meet him again. So yeah, I made it to the coast of, what is the name here? Uvita, right? The beach of Uvita. Been here again like almost 20 years ago, and yeah, well, I will show you some pictures on the way out. It was like nothing here 20 years ago, and now it's a touristy place, but still the beach is beautifully amazing. Look at that. Yeah, I know what you want to say. It's not as clean and as clear white sand as you would expect it from the Caribbean, for example. But it is not the Caribbean. That's on the other side, 100 kilometers. There's the Caribbean. This is the Pacific Ocean. And for that, it's a really beautiful beach. And it's natural. So it's a natural park. That means they don't clean it up here. They don't take away the trees and stuff. It's, yeah, it's like it is. It's natural beauty.
This is how I discovered Costa Rica when I was here the first time. Some small huts, a little infrastructure, and a lot of jungle, various colors, and uncountable different plants, very green, no windmills, no big touristy infrastructure. So this part here, like 30 kilometers in front, before the border to Panama, is how I had Costa Rica in mind. That doesn't mean that Costa Rica is bad now. It just developed to be a very, very touristy country. A lot of expats living here now from the US and also from Europe, I think. It can be a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. That's the decision of the country, how they have their politics. But this part here is just what I had in mind. I mean, how this part looks. I haven't been here before. And I must say I prefer that. That's more adventurous than infrastructure like Burger King, McDonald's, Starbucks, and prices like in the US.
On our way to the border to Panama, we were lucky enough to witness a spectacular solar eclipse.
Can just see it through the clouds. There's the eclipse.